Very good morning to all dear my students. Welcome to our school Suman Ramesh Tulsiani International School Kamshi. Today we will see about our subject EVS part 2. So students, in our class 4 today's our subject is EVS part 1 EVS part 1, and in that we are looking for different variety in food. What we are going to see? Variety in food. So before that I would like to take a recap of that particular subject. So from previous we have seen in a different videos about the life cycle of animals. In life cycle of animals we have seen about the hatching process, then we have seen the 4 stages of butterflies, that is the egg, larva, pupa and adult. This we have seen in our first chapter. Then we have seen about the butterflies also. In the next chapter, the interrelationship between living things, we have seen about that the needs of living things are met in their environment. Food, water, air, clothes and shelter are the many needs of human being. Then we have seen different seasons in that chapter. We have 3 seasons: the rainy season, winter and very hot summer. Am I right now? So in 4th lecture we have studied about the storage of water, different types of old water stores, then modern water stores. In 5th chapter we have seen about water for every household, and now we are looking for variety in food. Okay, so let us begin with our chapter number 6, that is the variety in food. Okay, here you can observe that we use the vegetables and grains bought from the market to prepare the different dishes. Here are the different vegetables and grains we buy it from the market. Why? It is to make a different dishes in our meal. So let us carry out the following activity related to the food. So you need to find out that which grain or vegetable, from that what we can made different dishes. Okay, so first is the rice. From rice we can make different types of idlis, bhakri, stream rice, then modak, dosa. So you need to make a list of that things or dishes which can be made by rice. Next one is wheat. Okay, so from wheat what we can make? Chapati, puri, papad or kuldai, then halwa, paratha we can made by wheat. Okay, so you need to make a chart about that. Next one is the note that there is a diversity in the food items of the different states of our country. So we can see that in our country there are different states, as like Maharashtra, different state, Kerala, Sikkim, Jammu Kashmir. In the different region, in the different states, we can observe that in that different state we got a diversity means differentiation, different varieties in the food items. So if we will see about our Maharashtra, in our Maharashtra rice and fish curry is a famous dish. So as compared to us in a different state, maybe in a Gujarat there is a famous uh, dhokla or dal bati. In if we go to Tamil Nadu, there will be a different diversity in the food. So here are some pictures which can be observed over here. Okay, next one map has given to you in your textbook, so you need to check out in your textbook. In every region there is a one staple food. What is the reason for that? Means in every region there is a one particular food is grown. So what is the reason for that? Why does the staple food of the people vary according to region? ठीक है, मीन्स वो जो स्टेपल फूड है अकॉर्डिंग टू द रीजन वाई इट इज चेंज वैरी. तो फिर यहाँ पे जो मैप दिया गया है, सो वी विल सी अबाउट दैट मैप. विच फूड क्रॉप इज ग्रोन ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल इन द कोस्टल रीजन्स. कोस्टल रीजन में कौन से क्रॉप ज़्यादा तो ग्रोन होते हैं? विच फूड्स क्रॉप इज ग्रोन ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल इन अ कोस्टल रीजन? The answer is rice. Okay, these questions are into your textbook also, so you need to be write it into your notebook. I'll send it to you as a worksheet. Which food crops are grown in North India? North India में ऐसे कौन से क्रॉप्स है जो ज़्यादातर ग्रोन किए जाते हैं? The answer is wheat and jawar. विच इज़ द मेजर फूड क्रॉप इन द सेंट्रल रीजन? सेंट्रल रीजन में इंडिया के कौन से मेजर क्रॉप है? मेजर फूड क्रॉप दैट इज द व्हीट. एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज राइस इज ग्रोन ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल इन द साउथर्न पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया. वाई इज दिस सो? साउथर्न पार्ट मीन्स केरला साइड, below Maharashtra, that is the south side. So why it is rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part of India? Because of hot humid climate and heavy rainfall, as I explain you all this thing in a online section. Okay, now next we have seen about this little bit, that is the agriculture. We know everyone about the agriculture. We are doing the pharmacy, some peoples are doing the pharmacy. So agriculture is the main occupation. Occupation means our if someone is a doctor, that will be a his or her occupation. So agriculture also is the main occupation in all parts of our country. In all parts of our country, agriculture is the main occupation. Okay, it is mainly dependent on rainfall. On which factor it is mainly depend? On rainfall. The rainfall received in all regions is not the same. So if we are looking for our state, in Maharashtra maybe there is a different rainfall, means different amount of different quantity of a different amount of rainfall will be happen. But in a Kerala there may be a different, means उस जगह पे ज़्यादा बारिश हो सकती है या फिर कम हो सकती है एज कम्पेयर टू महाराष्ट्र. सो द रेनफॉल रिसीव इन ऑल रीजन इज नॉट द सेम. नेक्स्ट वन, इन रीजन्स जहाँ पे हाई रेनफॉल होता है, वेयर द हाई रेनफॉल इज हैपनिंग, देयर वी गॉट राइस, रागी, कोकोनट एंड वरई as the crops. In regions of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi and varai are grown. Did you understood everyone? Now next one is a moderate rainfall. Moderate means balance rainfall. कम भी नहीं, ज़्यादा भी नहीं. Moderate, balance rainfall. So in a moderate rainfall region, wheat, tur, soybean are grown in a region of moderate rainfall. Next one is in a region where is the low rainfall, the crops grown that are jawar, bajra and moot beans. Okay everyone. So here we have seen about here we have started our chapter variety in food. In that we have seen about the agriculture also, we have seen about the map. Okay, so here we will stop. Thank you everyone.